Here's Perlini once again, falling down and one-handed it out. No, not out. And now a second effort, it's forced out by Shine. Shine has a step down the right wing, fires, he scores! And Grand Rapids strikes first. Out in front, here's a chance, they score! Josh Melnick! And the Wolves have tied it at 1. Out at center, Suzuki has a break down the left wing. Suzuki shoots, he scores! A snipe for Ryan Suzuki to give the Wolves a 2-1 lead. How sweet is that? Perlini crossing. You got to fight back behind the play. Alex Green is going at it with Chris Colo. Green, the local product for the Wolves, gets the better of that one with family in the building. Ball on the face-off, and the draw was won by Lambden. Tipped up to center for Passion. He has an assist tonight, and he connects with Lambden. All alone, Lambden lost it. He was pulled up. Will we get a penalty shot?
Gotta be.
Come on, come on.
Yes.
Yes, it will be a penalty shot for Logan Lambden. Rapson looking on as Lambden gains some speed. The most exciting play in hockey. Here's Lambden all alone. Deeks, he scores! Lambden can. It's the line. Popped out in front, and Hucko looks backdoor off of Gunler. He stabbed it wide.
A brilliant move that was. Good, heady play.
Now here's Mendel, wrister off the pad. Suzuki shoots, he scores! Up, and it gets out. Melnick the clear, and Stromwall's going to beat everyone. Looking in, he scores! A shorty for the Wolves to make it 5-1.
Beautiful effort this is. How about this determination too by Stromwall?